People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Big up in yourself, thank you once again for tuning in and liking, commenting and subscribing as usual. And don't know, people. So people, the video that you are seeing on your screen right now is of a brazen attack that happened on Phoenix Avenue off Hope Road in St. Andrew, where a taxi driver was shot multiple times, people. He has been rushed to the hospital. And people, this is like the second attack on a taxi driver in about a week or so, people. You see how much bullet them let off? People, you see all them markings there, a whole heap of shot fire out there, you know. Look how much markings up on the ground, people. So it a report say a man was killed and 3 others injured in a brazen daylight gun attack along Phoenix Avenue in St. Andrew on Thursday. That is RohanRohan Hall Snr of Bedward Gardens, Augustown, Kingston 7. Reports are that about 9 a.m. Hall was traveling in a motor vehicle with 3 other men when it developed a puncture. So them say it had a flat tire, people, while they was driving. So them say the driver was in the process of changing the tire when the occupants of the vehicle were attacked by unknown assailants who opened fire, hitting all 4 men. They were taken to the hospital where Hall was pronounced dead and the other 3 occupants treated. The halfway tree police are still investigating and probing the incident, people. Like, I know, you know, I don't know what going on, you know. In a daylight, you know, people. In a daylight, them man have no business, who they about, who they run. Them just know, say, if them a go for somebody, them a go for it and go for them and a business, people. I know. I know how much time I go preach and say, yo, put down the gun. The world is out there if you get the youths for seeing it, just have to putting yourself in the right position and keeping your head straight. Them killing and nah go put you nowhere, brother, but in a grave, in a body bag. Put down the gun, man, them out there try, do them job, earn an honest living, and here we have these nuisance that come and terrorize people or shoot people. I know we need to do better. Jamaica, we need to do better. Man, them put down the gun. People, if me get more information on this incident, cause it's very fresh right now, so them don't have much details on it. But once I get more information on it, I will definitely let you guys know, you see me? Alright, big up in yourself, people, mad. One love.